So today we're going to be installing this Molle rack. I got it off of eBay for about 70 bucks. And you know, oftentimes we go camping, we don't have a lot of storage, so this should be a pretty good storage solution for us, just to get stuff stowed away while we're traveling. Now you're not going to need a whole lot of tools for this install. So I've got my pocket knife, tiny little flathead screwdriver for popping off those covers. They're kind of tricky, so I would suggest take your time, try not to booger them up. Good old Allen set, and then if things get out of hand, I've got my multi-tool screwdriver here, and then of course caffeine. Alright, let's open this sucker up. So we've got our handle here. Slips into these two holes, fits pretty nice. So we'll take our clips, we'll pop them in. Actually, I think that's backwards. I'll pop them in this way. Pop them in that way. Pop this guy in here. There we go. So this is that little tab. You gotta lift up on it. There we go. What you want to do, pop your pins in, then pop these guys back on, because that's going to hold them in place. That's it right there. Same thing with this one. So now it won't let that little pin fall out. If you see, there's a little plastic right here, kind of holds that pin in place. So now you should just be able to snap it back into the wall of the truck. You want these bolt holes facing up, and it should just snap right into place. Okay, got that one. Okay, little snap. Another little snap, give it the Texas tug. Oh yeah. Okay, so now install the rack. Basically you just line up your holes and drop them in. Seems kind of floppy. I'm sure once we tighten everything up, it should look pretty good. Yeah, it's already getting more rigid. All right. Now look at that, boys and girls. Doesn't that look clean? Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Hang my walkie-talkie up there, hang my camera gear. I've got a first aid kit I can hang up there. just small crap, you know, that usually just bangs around in my back seat, constantly fumbling around. Now I could just strap it up to the Molle rack. Pretty sweet. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you really like this, you know, give it a thumbs up, and I'll do a couple of more mods and install videos. It's pretty sweet. I mean, it seems solid, and it was a super easy install. It doesn't get much easier than that. Couple of brackets, couple of screws, you're good to go. So once again, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do more videos like this, and I'll be happy to.